Hey, stop! What if I told you that in the first 30 seconds, people decide whether you sound confident, professional, or unprepared? Whether it's a job, IELTS, PT, speaking test, university admission, or meeting someone for the first time, your self introduction can make a powerful first impression. So, let's learn how to introduce yourself professionally in English. Hello everyone. One of the biggest mistake English learners make is memorizing long introductions. Don't do that. A professional introduction should be simple, clear, confident, and natural. Remember this formula: name, background, education or profession, skills, goal. If you follow these 5 steps, you'll never get stuck. Let's see an example. Hello, my name is Muhammad Sohail. I am from Pakistan. I graduated with a bachelor degree in computer science. Currently, I am preparing for government job examinations while continuously improving my English communication skill. I enjoy learning new things, solving problems, and working with people. My goal is to build a successful career and keep developing both personally and professionally. Thank you. Did you notice something? The introduction is short, professional, and easy to remember. Now, here are 3 quick tips to sound more confident. Tip number 1: smile naturally and maintain eye contact. Tip number 2: speak slowly and clearly. Confidence is more important than speed. Tip number 3: never try to use difficult words just to impress people. Simple English spoken confidently always sound better. Always remember, people may forget your words, but they rarely forget your confidence. Practice your introduction every day for just 5 minutes, and within a few weeks, you'll notice a big improvement in your speaking skills. If you want to learn English for interviews, IELTS, PTE, public speaking, and daily conversation, make sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep practicing, keep speaking, and believe in yourself.